Alright, so you guys have asked to see the lights. I've upgraded all the lights in my Infiniti JX35, which, as you know, is a QX60, same car. I've upgraded the front lights, the rear lights, the interior lights, everything. The only light that has been upgraded is the headlights, which are still the xenons. I haven't bothered to change those at all. They're the same. But everything else has been upgraded. So you've been asked to go through it. So I'm going to show you them all at night, but the only ones I'm going to show you today is the daytime running lights, because at night those don't turn on. So that is, as you can see, just so I'll get it closer, that's the fog light below. That's off right now. That's just the daytime running light. And we're just going to switch over to night now. Okay. These are my nighttime lights. Views from the trunk. You haven't seen the video yet on. That's a heads-up display. Funny enough, it looks kind of blurry there, but trust me, when I'm looking at it straight on, it's not blurry at all. I'll have a video on that at another point. Well, cover my license plate, but you can see license plate lights there. Standard tail light that you should already have, that's normal. Reverse lights. Rear LED turn signals. One there. Fog light. Front LED turn signals. See, I was lighting up the back there. That's it. That's the lighting on my car. Thank you all very much for watching. I hope this video has helped you out here today. Now let's go through some of the YouTube stuff, shall we? Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video has helped you out. And if you want to see my future videos, I try and put out one at least once a week. Make sure to hit notifications as well, just so you can get those videos. On the flip side to that, if you didn't like the video for whatever reason and you do dislike it, not a problem. Feel free to leave it in the comments of why you disliked it, whether it be something I did wrong, whether it's something you didn't like in the video. By all means, just let me know so I can keep making the best content possible. It's kind of the whole point of it, so make sure to do that. Speaking of the comments, if you have any questions, concerns, anything you want to add on, anything you see you can do better, anything that maybe you add on and it actually is worse, whatever it is, feel free to leave it in the comments. Nothing wrong with that. I always try and answer whenever I can. It may not be the same day, next day, whatever, but I try and answer all comments, so make sure to leave that as well. Once again, I want to thank you very, very much for watching the video, and I'll see you next time.